Teacher enters the classroom and greets the students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
The teacher starts taking attendance. Roll number 1.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 2. Present. Please sit down.
The teacher begins the lesson and asks students to open their books.
Open your books.
Yes, ma'am.
Open page number 10. The teacher asks a question to the class. Who knows the answer?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, tell me.
The student answers correctly, and the teacher appreciates.
This is the correct?
Correct, sir. Well done.
The teacher writes on the board and asks students to copy. Write this down. Copy from the board.
Yes, ma'am.
The teacher maintains discipline in the classroom. Keep quiet. Pay attention.
Sorry, ma'am.
Complete your homework.
Yes, teacher.
Good. Let's review it tomorrow.
The class ends, and the teacher says goodbye.
Class is over. Goodbye, students.
Goodbye, ma'am.